Y- Yeah, hi, morning, Lindsay. Look, I just thought I'd do this video, mate, just to try and explain, sort of, just to go with the drawings, I guess. So the main part of the renovation is, firstly, there's an old crappy porch that's falling to bits in the front, so we're pretty much demolishing it. Um, Look, I probably would allow a day for a builder to demolish it, and then we're back to where we started. And then it's constructing this new front entry porch. So the bottom step and landing is concrete, in situ concrete. Got timber frame stairs that run up that'll be clad in decking. We've got these one, two, three 400 by 400 square block columns that are solidly filled, laminated posts supporting an entry porch roof, metal tile roof. Underside of that soffit ties into the soffit over the front door, which is all a battened soffit. Garage door, sectional garage door. Please allow for a light, window sort of light in the top. Weatherboarded balustrade wall both sides with a timber cap. Same with that. Down there, vertical paneling. Please allow storage doors to access the underside of the stairs. I haven't drawn that. I just realized I haven't got that in there. But um, so that's kind of the porch. Going to the side of the house, there's this is all pretty much existing down to this point. From where these stairs are, there's a deck and stairs and planter, and it heads down to this existing concrete level. Basically, we are reshaping this concrete level from that point down to that point to match up with the landing of the stairs, and that's to enable to get a large size window in the bottom living area, which I'll explain. So all this is existing through there. That's all existing. New timber joinery, double glazed, bifold up the top, bifold down below. Um, so that's pretty much, so there's some work on the side there. There's a new Firth keystone wall to go from this point all the way down, which is on the plans. Um, Around the back, there's an existing pergola structure that we basically, Michaela would like to clad in some clear roofing. It's the clear view panels which sit on top of the rafters. So there's some engineering details required there. We have to increase the footing size for each post. We have to get some connections from rafter to beam, stringer from ribbon plate to the house to the rafters before we can install that roof. So there's a bit of work around that. New large sliding door in there, which I'll show you on the floor plan. All this laundry and exit remains the same. New ground floor deck with 2 steps out the back. Coming around this way, that's all existing. That's all existing, and then downstairs, it's the area down below, which I'll show you. Um, so I'll just go to ground floor. I'll go to ground floor existing. When it loads, come on. There you go. So downstairs at the moment, there's a perimeter block wall that's 1200 high. There's 2 garage doors in there. These are steel beams that run through, going from this way to this way down. So basically, what we're doing there is we're removing one garage door. Well, we're removing both garage doors really, and reshuffling downstairs. So there's these beams that get removed, these ones that stay, which I'll show you. But the footprint stays the same. It's really just a configuration of getting a new set of stairs downstairs because the existing stairs are just horrible. So there's a new set of stairs and basically a fit out of a lounge, garage, bedroom and ensuite, which I'll show you. So pretty much new set of stairs coming down into the bottom. Um, these 2 steel overhead beams go, and we flitch the existing joists with new 200 by 45s. Um, all the joists from this side stay. New proposed bedroom downstairs, ensuite tiles, ensuite down there. So the garage door then sits in this zone, which is the line of the porch, and there's the 1, 2, 3 columns. Now this column on the back I didn't show you on the 3D, which I'll show you on the 3D. So we've got this column, and then we've got a wall. This wall is actually a block wall. If you see on the proposed plans, it's a block wall forming a retaining wall as well, which retains 800 high, this wall. So that's that wall there. And then pretty much, yeah, garage down below. New internal walls get shifted around. The upper floor. So basically what happens in the upper floor is the new work involved in the upper floor. So in the lounge area, we've got 2 new windows that are going in that have to be reframed. The rest of the hallway, bedrooms, bathroom remain the same. This area here is the big change. So new laundry, new set of stairs going to downstairs, vinyl on the floor, toilet, shower, windows stay but get a film on them, an opaque film. This laundry, as you come down the stairs, this laundry floor will be raised, and the actual wash machine and dryer will be above, and the sink will be above, but it'll be raised to allow enough heat height to go down below. All finishing lines upstairs are basically a hardwood skirting or arc, or they're a bullnose, either 70mm or 90mm. I'm not too sure if they Rimu or not, but please allow Rimu or some sort of hardwood in terms of pricing. Downstairs, same profiles, but everything is a paint finish downstairs. So existing porch stays, the deck stays. You'll see this is the bit of concrete downstairs that I was saying changes from that point down. Now the dining room, so basically we lose Alfie's room, and it becomes a large dining room with a new set of doors leading outside onto a timber deck with a covered pergola roof. So that's pretty much the scope. Upstairs is new dining, pergola, lower level deck. Well, when I say pergola, pergola coverings, roof cladding only. Ground floor deck, new joinery unit. Allow for new ceiling all the way from here basically to this point. I think this will all be a new ceiling on this dining room. Kitchen remains. Bathroom, they just want us to install one extract, which we can get through the roof and out through the wall. Then in the middle of the house, it's a new staircase, proposed laundry, and then in the bottom, it's 2 new joinery units in the lounge. And that's pretty much upstairs. And then, like I was saying, downstairs, full reconfig with the front porch. So yeah, hopefully that will sort of give you enough info so you can kind of see that's the porch there that gets added on. This is the half-high block wall that's retaining as well. New steps, fence. This is the existing fence. All we want to do is build a slight return and a gate in a vertical pine sort of look, so please allow for that. And then yeah, all pretty much new cladding over the existing half-high block wall, new cladding over the existing half-high block wall, new cladding and joinery up to that point. And then the whole front porch. Painting is only affected areas only, please. And that is about it. Hope that helps. Cheers.